Welcome to Bitcoin Battles. Imagine starting off as the average Joe, $700 to $3,000 in multiple high leverage trades. I'm going to show you step by step how it happened as I shared it in my Discord in real time. Yesterday, I dropped this video, Bitcoin anti-liquidation strategies. Almost nobody's seen it yet. Okay, and in this video, we started with $700. And we started doing these wild little guy trades. Rapid fire, $700 wallet on the Bitfinex exchange. I just entered. This is my second trade. We started with $705 for the average Joe. We're running at 87x. Now for this free fall, now I am going to link this video below so you don't have to see it, and where I'm going to link it. This was yesterday's video. Now I'm going to show you what happened right after that. This video is 12 minutes of excellence in education. Directly under the video, look, people are just starting to see it now. YouTube doesn't like to circulate my videos. Directly under the video is a link to the exchange Bitfinex, my Discord, where you can watch over my shoulder, and of course, learn to trade, the Oracle Discord consultation package. This is where I teach you personally. Okay, it costs a fraction of a Bitcoin, 0.05. It also comes with lifetime access to the Legends Room. This is all the people that I have trained together, helping each other, your ongoing help room, so that you're never alone. 0.05 BTC, payable in USDC or USDT. And luckily for you, Bitcoin is on sale right now. So this is what you didn't see. This was $700 to $1,200, part 2. The first part was a battle. This is quick, watch. In this trade right here, you can see it's up 27%. The little guy is up $327. Go ahead. Follow up. We're up 26%, 28%. That little wallet that started with $705 is now $1,600. I will show you all the trades. Hold on, and we have another one. 27%. Now, when you play around like this, hold on, at high speed, you can lose that profit in a second. You need to be around 20 to 30%. That's what we call the kill zone, the kill box, where you're profitable. I'll show you exactly. See? We lost it. Right there. Let's go ahead and close. Okay. That was a tactical close. Look at the price. Look at the price. And you know what's crazy is where the price wound up. You're going to see everything. We've done it all work here. So we got to 1266 from 705. Look here, right here, 1266. Yeah, somehow that last trade killed us because we went all in. Usually the way to go in with this is half in, and then the other half you put in the pencil. But I wanted to just show you, since that trade, that video that you just seen, okay, this one, I did a whole fuck ton of back-to-back trades. So from 705, we have rocked it all the way up to 1266. Now, this is the part of the video you didn't see. Okay, it wasn't included in It wasn't included in yesterday's epic video. Now you're going to see the next part. Okay, that was the little guy journey. That was part 2, 700 to 1200. Remember, if you didn't see yesterday's video, I'm going to link it right below, right down here. Okay, right above the Bitfinex link, so that you can see that whole thing. This shows the battle of when a trade goes against you and what to do. Now, what happened last night is part 3. This is where it accelerated. This is where we accelerated step by step to $3,000 in profit. Are you ready for this? I love the Bitfinex exchange. I also link the 2-bit exchange below. On 2-bit, they have added, if you go to TradeFi, they added leverage on stocks, gold, and silver. I'm talking Nvidia, Meta, everything. But let's focus on Bitfinex and making this money. Before we go into the next part, you can see we're going to open up with a trade right away. 39% for the little guy, $519 in profit right there. But before I do that, I want to show you something that you'd never believe. And if you knew this in advance, could you have profited? Would you have believed it? Inside my Discord, when we were around $71,000 yesterday, you can clearly see here. Now, this is unedited. Everyone knows when you edit something in Discord, and let me prove that to you, Okay, let me just edit this. I'm just going to add a period. Watch what happens. Okay, everyone, I want you to look closely. This is going to make you money. It says edited. Now, let me take you to something that's mind-bending. Before anyone knew, we're at 71,000. Everybody's happy. This is in my free Discord, trading over my shoulder all day Sunday yesterday. Now, I slipped something in. Yesterday, 11:46 a.m., before the big crash, I slipped in a little something. Look at this number. Listen.
Oracle said $69,887.22.
Meanwhile, the whole time that I'm trading, I have this in the back of my mind. And you know what happened? 69,888.29 cents. That is mind-bending to me. Let's get on with the show. For that alone, that skill, you should want to get into my free Discord. And booking a consultation will make you a legend. A legend. And it's dust. It's not only just to talk to me. It's lifetime access to my inner circle. That's not part of the free Discord. And we have been doing this for almost 10 years. You pay once, you're in forever. You can pay in USDT or USDC. What is 0.05 BTC? Well, Bitcoin's coming up a little bit, but it's still dust. It's amazing that we hit that number last night. Let's get on with the show. If you're enjoying the content, let me know in the comments or the live chat. Let's rock. This is the little up 40%. Hold on, let me get a screenshot and drop this for you guys. This takes time. Damn it. Hold on. All right. 70% now. Hold on. I want you to see this. This is the little guy wallet that 57%. It only had $700 in it. $700 what we started with. Right now, we are up to $2,100. Unbelievable. 55%. 50%. We're under the whole number of 71. I'm going to flash close this. Take the money. Now, hold on. Let me put a little bit. Oh, 666. Hold on. We're going to go down to a number that I told you was going to happen earlier today, but none of you caught it. Hold on. Let me put it in the trade. We're going to put $1,000 this time. No. Watch this. $500. Fuck that. We're going straight down. $1,000. Hold on. Notice that the little guy wallet was already over $2,000 in this picture. Okay? Wild. And now we are going to protect it with the entire balance of the wallet. We're up, look at this, 19%, 20%. Take the whole rest. Look, my liquidation price is $71,000. Check this out. I got to go to Super Bowl starting soon. Now it's $72,000. 33%. Flash close. Once again, where are we? Oh, we're going to break the whole number. All right, so now we went from $700 to $2,100 in this video. No, $2,400. $700 to $2,400. All right, so this time I'm going to put in $1,000 at high leverage, 87x, and I am going to fully protect it and walk away and watch the Super Bowl. Wait. My liquidation is 71. This part is critical, everyone. I want you to learn from this. This is called the pencil. It's only on BitTuneX. I think they have it on 2Bit as well. But it is a wild tool. You see, I'll explain in the video. 1,000. Right here is 72,367. Hold on. Now, all I need to know is this box. We're at 70,000. I am good until 72,367. Guys, in a short period of time, all right, we turned 705 into like, what was it? Now I'm down, so 2,100. You got to add this to it. We're down 200. But that doesn't matter. All along, you've seen it. Legendary. We are now going to break. I'm going to do this live. Fuck it. We're going to break 70,000. You know what? start the music. Just 53 minutes ago, put up this video, Bitcoin anti-liquidation strategies for the $500 trader. We started with $705. We did multiple trades all the way up the sell or pump and all the way back. Let me take you right here. Michael Saylor bought right here. He will announce it tomorrow. Meaning he will announce it today. It has not been announced yet. This is his move to pump his stock. Buys on Sunday, announces on Monday. Rode it all the way up, and now we're going to ride it all the way down. Now we're going to take him out, part 3. Now, usually the fun begins at 7 p.m. New York City time. $6:30. Now I did something crazy today. You know, something that nobody ever does. Mysticism like you've never seen. We're going to blow this little guy's wallet up. I'm so excited for everyone. I see a secret code hidden in the grail inside my Discord. Nobody ever expected this. So this morning at 11:16 a.m. when we were at 71,000, I slipped something in, like something in your cocktail. Speak.
Oracle said we need to maintain green on the 1HR to push the price up.
Yes, and that happened. Right? We were at 70,007. We went almost all the way to 72,000 today. But look here, at 11:59 a.m. 888. Almost lunchtime. Nobody's seen this.
Oracle said $69,887.22.
It's coming. Look at this. Look at the battle. Look at it coming now. Once again, what timestamp? 11:51 a.m. After that, we went all the way up. I may believe nothing happened. I didn't say a word to anyone. We were green. Look at this, pumping away. But nobody's seen. These were all my posts today. 71 never built the floor. It's in danger. We're up again. 22%, 19%. The wallet is now 2,500. Now, here's what we're going to do. 26%. Let's get a screenshot. This is amazing. I'm going to compound it all. We are up 30% right now. 31%. Flash close. Boom. Takes wallet, the money. Check. 25.89 from $705. 100. Look. Oh my God. Right there. 700. Check that out. $105 to $3,225. Let me just make sure that's right. And then I entered again. Now we destroy them. Look. With everything. First we put in half the wallet. And now we protect ourselves with the other half of the wallet. Our liquidation is 70,668. Now our liquidation is 71,304. You got to be in it to win it, and we're going to break. Now, let me tell you something. Okay? Sometimes it goes against you, and you got to battle your way out. I had to battle my way out of this one for a little while. But you know how the numbers turned out this morning as we're cresting 69,000. Okay? Unbelievable. We went all the way down to 68,610. 70,000 and get it to my exact number. This was wild. We go again. Another 16%, 15%. Let's break 70,000 again. It broke once. It must break again. And here it comes to my number. This is so exciting. So this was wild. Okay, to see this whole thing play out. Watch this. Take all the money. $777. Get it away. Look. Oh, we're there. We are there. We hit my Nirvana number. So, I don't use technical analysis or any nonsense like that. This is just candle work. The bigger the candle, the bigger the move. Stronger the candle, bigger the move, the bigger the candle. The smaller the candle, the weaker the move, the weaker the price action. It's very simple to see. I am going to link yesterday's video where it all started. I'm going to link it right below today's video in the description box, which you will find. Click show more under the video. Get in my Discord. You know something? Book yourself a consultation to change your life. What's 0.05? It's about $3,000. Do you think that's worth it for an education? To be part of something? To learn something that nobody could ever take from you? And you could watch all the YouTube videos in the world. That's like you want to learn how to fly a 747 by watching YouTube videos. I'm not flying with you, bro. Together we fly, we rock. After my consultation, you have access to the Legends Consultation assets. These are just light, little, simple reminders, but most of all, the Legends Room, where all the people I've ever trained are here, helping each other. You can post your charts, ask your questions, and then become a legend. And every day, these people are proud for years to announce their victory, even on altcoins you never heard of before.
TPW1231 said 115% short dusk.
And it just goes on and on. You know, Johnny Boy has been with us for years and years and years, probably like 7 years now. Johnny Boy killing it.
Johnny Boy said 135% ETH long thanks so.
And I don't ask these people for this. They post this because
Lift
they
a lot
want to.
247 said 50% ETH long Tayo.
When you achieve this skill level and become legendary,
Nilfarine 3 said plus 146% dusk
you want
short.
to share it with the world.
Logan Strauss said XLM short 53%.
Why should you be quiet? When you have a skill that can produce money from your
Lift a
computer.
lot 247 said 24% ETH long from earlier Tayo. Nilfarine 3 said plus 113% Pippin short. ATM said 218% ETH short. Thank you Oracle.
And it goes on and on. And you notice the consistency of the people? They're not just doing it once, they're doing it again and again and again and again.
The Ram said BTC short from minus 240% to 30% win.
Yes.
Thank you Oracle.
Yes. And I wanted to show you in this demonstration that anyone
Cannon Claw
can
said
do it.
BTC short from minus 146% to 67% win.
Yeah, the ups and
Set,
downs are normal.
protect, walk away.
Set, protect, and walk
Thanks
away.
so.
We are legend.
Cryptolyze said 53% XAG short Ninja medium skin tone bow and arrow.
This